So this video is for Dragonfly. This is my EDC and shit hits the fan knives. So my everyday carry and shit hits the fan. So stay tuned and you guys will have in-depth review on what I carry every day and if I'm ever getting hit. Thanks for tagging me, Dragon. It's been a pleasure and an honor for you to tag me as well. Peace out. Have a good day, guys. Hey folks, what's going on? I got tagged on YouTube to do my EDC knife and shit hits the fan knife. So I just came out for a quick ski and I'll show you what I carry. I'll start with my EDC. Which is a Leatherman. Just makes sense to carry it. It's small, has so many different functions on it. Whoa! It's the sidekick model. You know, bottom of the barrel. I sharpen it a lot. I keep it super sharp since I do carry it with me every day. This is going to be a quick video, by the way. And my shit hits the fan. This is my shit hits the fan knife. It's a snow falling everywhere. It's a Condor Hudson Bay company. It's a really big knife, full tang. Looks like it came out of your grandmother's closet. But this is my go-to knife because it's so versatile and you know, you can use it for anything you can use an axe for. So they're both my EDC and shit hits the fan knife. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you like the videos.